Hello, my friends. Welcome to the My Day 23 of 30-Day Healthy Lifestyle Eating Plan. On this plan, we are focusing on whole, nourishing foods that are low in artificial ingredients, refined sugars, and unhealthy fats. This eating plan is designed to help you reset your relationship with food, energize your body, and embrace a sustainable way of healthy living. And there's no calorie counting, so enjoy each meal with gratitude and satisfaction. Breakfast is an important meal to start your day with the right foot, providing you with energy and nutrients to power through your morning. Today's breakfast consists of 1 low-fat plain Greek yogurt, 6 ounces, half a cup of low-fat cottage cheese, and half a cup of sliced peaches topped with 2 tablespoons of chopped almonds. The Greek yogurt and cottage cheese are excellent sources of protein, which can help you feel full and satisfied. They also contain calcium and vitamin D. Peaches provide natural sweetness and vitamins A and C. Almonds add healthy fats, fiber, and vitamin E. This combination of nutrients will keep you feeling nourished and energized throughout the day. Lunch is a time to refuel and recharge after your morning activities. Today's lunch consists of 1 piece of grilled chicken, 4 ounces, and 1 whole grain wrap. You can use corn as a substitute if you're gluten-free. Fill the wrap with onions, peppers, spinach, and 1/3 of an avocado, and enjoy 1 to 4 cups of strawberries on the side. Grilled chicken is a great source of lean protein. Whole grain wraps provide complex carbohydrates and fiber. Avocado adds healthy fats and a variety of vitamins and minerals. The colorful bell peppers and spinach bring in essential vitamins and minerals. Strawberries are not only delicious, but they're also packed with vitamin C and antioxidants. This well-balanced meal will keep you satisfied and ready to tackle the rest of your day. In between meals, it's important to keep your energy levels up with a healthy snack. Today, you'll enjoy a one-kind bar. Be mindful of the ingredients in your snack bar. Some bars may contain coconut or yogurt, which can be signs of hidden sugars or unhealthy fats. Choose a snack bar with minimal ingredients that are easy to pronounce. This will help you avoid unnecessary added sugars, unhealthy fats, and artificial ingredients. Enjoy your snack mindfully, savoring the flavors and textures while staying connected to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Dinner is a time to nourish your body after a busy day. Today, you'll prepare a delicious shrimp dish with 4 ounces of shrimp sautéed in garlic, olive oil, and lemon juice served with 1 cup of spaghetti squash or zucchini and half a cup of herb-roasted potatoes. Shrimp is a fantastic source of lean protein and healthy fats. Spaghetti squash or zucchini provides a low-carbohydrate alternative to traditional pasta. The herb-roasted potatoes add fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This dinner is not only satisfying, but also packed with nutrients to support your overall health and well-being. And here we are at the end of another day on our 30-day healthy lifestyle eating plan. As you reflect on today's meals, take a moment to appreciate the nourishment they have provided to your body and mind. Each meal is a step towards a healthier and happier you. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Your support means the world to us. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.